Hey everybody, and welcome to Technology and Toys, and today's video is going to be an unboxing, or I guess you could say unbagging and review of NuVending's NuCharger QI5000. And essentially what this is it's just the bigger version of this case for the bigger version of the iPhone. So let's jump right into the bag here. And inside you get two things. I don't know if this is like an exclusive to the QI5000 or if this is just luck of the draw, but they do include a braided multi-ended cable. Nice rubber band. I think I'll keep that. About a 4-foot cable. One end you have your USB-A, and then on the other end, this is just a sticker. You can peel this off, which I'll do later. But it splits off into 3 different cables. You have 2 lightning cables and a micro USB. Interesting. I thought there would have been a USB-C cable in here, but I guess there's 2 lightning cables, but that's cool nonetheless. And then we'll take a look at the case itself. Packaging is very, very similar to its little brother. So you pull this little band off, and then the case comes out. Case is here. You get a screen protector like you do with the smaller one. You get a wet wipe and a dry wipe to clean your screen before you put the screen protector on, and you get a user manual. So very, very similar to its little brother as far as packaging goes, and as far as design goes, again, it's pretty much the same, just bigger. There's less information on telling you how to put it in on the bigger one. This is a 5,000 milliamp hour battery inside this case, and the way you install the phone into the case is the same with the other one. You put it in at a low angle, and then you just slide it, and then you push down on the corners, and there you go. You're in the case. And then to turn it on, you just press this button on the back once, and it starts charging. And then to turn it off, you press and hold, and then it stops charging. Now you might have noticed right then and there it went from a green light to a blue light, and that indicates different battery percentages. Red is 25% and under, blue is 50% all the way down to 25, green is 75 down to 50, and white is 100 down to 75. Now I've had this case for a couple days, but I haven't used it because I don't personally own a 7 Plus. This is my mother's phone. I have a 10, but I'm gonna give you my recommendation on this case based on my 5 months of use with the QI3000 and my iPhone 6, because like you've seen throughout this entire video to this point, they're pretty much just the same thing plus a bit of size. No pun intended. So I've used this case on my iPhone 6 for 5 months before I upgraded to the 10. I couldn't live without it. I'm the kind of guy that's always on his phone, always using battery, and you know, with the 6, the battery health wasn't that great. It's like a 4-year-old phone, and it's been used for those 4 years. My battery would die extremely quickly, and having that extra 3,000 milliamp hours of battery to charge this back up is great. The fact that they charge through lightning, they both charge through lightning, that's why there's no cable included. So let me, maybe this is what this was for. Maybe they knew I was going to do this in the video. You can charge it like that. They both charge with lightning, and the fact that you can charge them with lightning is great because I only have to carry around 1 cable. And both of these also charge with Qi. So if I grab a wireless charging pad, please tell me this is long enough. It is. If I put this down on the charger, it starts charging. Same with the other one. Difference between technology generations is incredible. They do have a hole on the bottom for the headphone jack, so this can be used with any Plus model iPhone. 6 Plus, 6S Plus, 7 Plus, and 8 Plus. And for that 5 months, this pretty much never came off my phone. Almost never came off the phone. It was always there. I was always using it. Great battery case. I would assume this is going to be the same. Oh yeah, there's no taps awake. That's an OLED thing. So there you guys have it. That's my unboxing and unbagging and review, I guess, of the NuVending NuCharger QI5000 battery case. I'll have this linked down in the description, as well as its little brother, the QI3000, and I guess while I'm down there I'll link to the Bamboo wireless charger and their new NuCharger Auto. If you like this video, be sure to leave a like and subscribe, as well as turning on notifications so that way you get notified whenever I upload another video. It's been Jake from Technology and Toys. Till the next video, I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.